guys, I just wanted to holler at you. Actually, I wanted to talk a little bit about entrepreneurship because the other day I was asked about why I do what I do and what is it that I like about what I do. And if you don't know, I'm in the travel business. Well, I'm actually not in the travel business. It's interesting. The business that I'm in is actually to help people save on travel. And so part of what I do is I help people save on their travel, whether it's vacations or emergency travel, whatever travel it is, I help people save huge savings on their travel. And so I'm going to try to make this video real brief because my battery's about to die on my camera. But I wanted to share that a little bit because it took me a while to come across a business that fits me. And the entrepreneurial journey is an up and down journey. Obviously, it's challenging. It has its ups and downs. It's a beautiful journey, by the way. You learn a lot about yourself. You learn a lot about other people as well. I kind of wanted to share a little bit about like entrepreneurship and how it can be challenging because a lot of times, and for me, as of recently, I have been having to deal with one of the things that I found a challenge in recently is that I kind of felt alone, and some of the people that I thought were on my side didn't support me in some of my endeavors. And that's perfectly fine, and I don't take that personally. However, you would think that the people that are closest to you would have your back and be ultra supportive on your journey. But that's not always the case. And it can be hard to accept, but you have to understand too, and it took me a while to understand this, is that not everyone signed up for this journey that I'm on. This is the journey that I chose for myself. And whether, you know, you would hope that people would be supportive in promoting you and buying from you or utilizing your product, but that's not always the case. And it can be hurtful, even though that's our ego, our egoic mind taking over. I think that the biggest thing for me that I found is that, like I said, this is a journey that I chose for myself. And it's a beautiful journey in that I learn a lot about myself, and I have learned a lot about other people, but that just shows me how to navigate relationships that are currently in my life. And so I can't take it personally. So you really can't take it personally, and it definitely is interesting. And even though it has so many challenges, it's a beautiful thing. And one of the reasons why I actually came into the business that I'm currently in is because I wanted to create a lifestyle for myself. One of the things that I love to do is to travel and to see the world and to experience new cultures. And what better way to do that than to be involved in the business that I am currently. And on top of that, I also help my family and friends and other people save on travel so they can experience those things as well. So I earn on my travel. I also save on my own travel, but I also do that for other people. So it's very rewarding, and I've always wanted to be involved in a business that I could help others in some sort of way, where I feel like because I do those things, people can travel more. They can experience more, because sometimes the biggest thing that stops people from experiencing the world and traveling is finances, because traveling can be expensive. Flights are expensive, in my opinion. And so one of the things that I feel that I can help others with is actually how can you save on your travel, and how can you travel more, how can you experience more, how can you live more. And that's what I love to do, and that's why I got into the business that I'm in right now. And so talking about entrepreneurship, I think that because it is challenging and you do get tested along the way on this journey, it is very important to find a business or an opportunity that fits your lifestyle. And one of the reasons why I got into the business that I am in now is that I am able to stay home with my kids. I am able to have that flexibility. I am able to do things that I enjoy, which is travel and experience new things. And so it's important to have that, like, what do you see for your life, and how can you incorporate a business that supports the lifestyle that you want for you and your family. Because that is so important, because when you do experience those challenges, when you do endure things that test you, because you will be tested, trust me, you will be tested, you want that end goal, what you're striving for, to be worth it. If it's not worth it, if it's not worth the time and energy that you put into it, then what are you doing all that for? Why are you enduring the challenges? Why are you going through those obstacles and having to overcome and be tested all the time? Even though it's a beautiful journey, because you grow exponentially through entrepreneurship. Trust me, you grow and you learn a lot about yourself. But you also want that business or opportunity to be worth all of those challenges that you go through. So I just wanted to take a little bit of time and talk about entrepreneurship and talk about business, because actually that's what I'm passionate about. I love talking about entrepreneurship. I love talking about business. I love talking about marketing. I love talking about all of those things. So I just wanted to take some time and actually do a video on it real quick. My battery's about to die, so I don't want to just cut off and be like crickets. So anyways, I hope you found this helpful. I know that a lot of people that do follow me are business owners and are entrepreneurs and are lifestyle entrepreneurs as well. So I wanted to share just that sentiment on entrepreneurship, because I know it's a lonely journey sometimes, and just sharing our stories is so powerful. We can learn from each other, and I really think that if we started sharing more of our stories, then we would know that we're not really just crazy, and we're not the only ones that well, I am a little crazy, but we're not the only ones that go through the things that we go through. So I just wanted to share that, and I hope you guys are having a great Monday. A great Monday so far. I'm sorry. See, here's the thing about working from home. Sometimes you forget what day it is. I'm just saying. Like, if I didn't have a phone, I would not even know what month I was in. I did that once. I've done that once. We were like 10 days into the next month, and I'm still thinking we were in the previous month. Just saying. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great Tuesday. Why did I just say Tuesday? I don't know. I hope you guys are having a great Monday. Anyways, I just want to holler at you. Peace.